I just want to say one thing. I really, I've always believed that people who build and create other people's homes have to have one thing for certain. They have to have a really, really big heart. I was already assured of that with the Arora family because we go back a long way. Nimish and I we know each other since the second standard. He used to help me with the homework. I mean, seriously, अगर ये ना होते तो शायद एक दो क्लास में fail हो जाता. So thank you for that. And I think knowing that he took advantage of that कि यार मैंने वहाँ help की थी, अब तू ये कर. So, but jokes apart, as I was saying, I already know because of the kind of love I have received from this family. I already know about the kind of love they have in their hearts, the vision that they have for the world and what they want to build. But what really got me to sign on the dotted line, what really got me convinced was when I saw the product. And I have to say this on stage here, that I was really, when I touched and I felt the comfort and, I mean, it was just fantastic. It was the product that got me to sign on the dotted line. I'm so proud to say that. Not many times have I got the opportunity while endorsing something to really believe in saying something like that.
So I would want to talk about your film. So recently there are rumors that you've stepped out of Nikhil Advani's Bazaar. Is that true?
Can I just take this?
Do you believe in rumors is the question.
I want a confirmation from you. That is why I'm
No,
asking you.
it's not true. The beginning and the end, both were not true. The true success of a man really is how he is living in other people's hearts. So your relationships with every single person you meet, if you're not leaving back a part of you with the people in your life, in the journeys of growth, like we are here together, if I'm not going to leave a part of me with them here or with you, then I have lived half a life. So I think the true success of a man is about his relationships with everyone. So I landed in Greece one day. I was shooting for Bang Bang. So I landed in Greece और इतना वो Greek god मुझे मतलब I had heard. तो automatically I entered Greece with an expectation. कि भैया God आ गया है अभी तो मतलब some reaction I should get. कुछ नहीं हुआ सर, सब धोखा है. ऐसा अरे ये क्या हो रहा है? मैं तो Greek god हूँ. ये reaction क्यों नहीं हो रही? Just kidding. I think it's very humbling that I have been complimented in such magnificent ways, or it is only something that motivates me even further. I don't believe the people really think I'm a Greek god. Of course, they're not fools, they're not silly. But I think what comes across is जो मेरी मेहनत है, जो मेरे struggles हैं, जो hard work जो मैंने किया है, I think that reflects in all our eyes, each one of us, our experiences. And I think somewhere there is how I receive the compliment of being someone who is aspirational, because that's what I always want to be. I am still aspiring to be a better version of myself all the time.
My question to you is, sir, कि अगर आपको एक मौका दिया जाए अपने अलावा आप कौन से एक एक्टर का घर सजाना चाहेंगे? कोई बॉलीवुड एक्टर का, नेम वन.
यार अपना घर सजाते सजाते मैं थक गया हूँ. It takes so much time, man. किसी और एक्टर मतलब मेरे काम नहीं है क्या?
But still अगर किसी को आप रेकमेंड करना चाहे, किसी का आप घर सजाना चाहे तो किसको?
बिल्कुल नहीं, अपने घर में खुश हूँ मैं.
I'm a superstar.